the food through which we are going to survive for next 30 days.
Like this.
Like this. Our local guide
Biswasray.
Biswasray. He is from the... Let's follow that picture. He's running as fast as possible. You have to stop.
Stop! Something is bad. I can feel it.
No one shout. Please silent. Please silent. Someone is there. Someone is there. Someone is there. Hear someone there. Something happening there. Let's go. We have to run fast as much we can. There is a tiger behind us. Like a squid go.
Stop! Water.
Obstacles. As you see, a long river is.
There is
a long river.
You can see the water. You can see the water.
Oh yes. What's that?
We have to jump it. We have to jump like that.
That is so risky.
No, we have to.
Long river. We have to cross.
We have to.
Let's go.
Oh, Father, give me strength. Yeah.
This is my time, guys. Let's see.
You can do it.
Yes, I come.
Now.
No, it's.
How can I do this? How?
Student, please jump.
Sensei, give me power.
Go.
Jaldi ase.
I'm gonna do it.
The another river. This is easy for us.
Because we have power.
Another big river, but we have more power.
Hey, let's go.
The road is now divided into two, so we are a little bit confused where we should go.
Child, I think
Father.
this way.
Father, show us.
No, I think
Father.
right is not always right. I think go to the left.
No, we have to go right.
No, we should go to the left.
We should
No.
go there.
This is jhadi. This is khajuri gacha. Kazuri.
We should check the map.
One eternity later.
So after that, we conclude we have to go in the right way,
Because it is always right.
because when you take right, what happen is going to be always right. So
Mother church.
our local guide, Mr. Adivasi, just guided us.
One big prasana.
Biswasray want to say something about Ananta Sayan and
Yes. This is a very dangerous place. You can see there are different kinds of creature and different kinds of animals in there.
this is the Lajjakuli, you know.
Huh?
If you touch it,
This is a very dangerous thing. You can touch and he's go down.
if you touch it, then you within
It is a lie.
if you touch this Lajjakuli within 100 year or 100 year, you will definitely going to die.
Food.
Rich source of carbohydrate,
Vitamins.
Concha.
vitamins.
It's concha.
So you can see
It's concha.
when गांड फटी तो मातृभाषा निकली.
The plant is going to hurt me. He is conta so we have to take rest. Our teammate is got just injured by the tree. We think the tree has lives.
It is concha.
It is
You
but
can't eat it.
if we can't eat it, but I can't eat it. Chalo. Let's go to the Age. Let's go to the let's go to where? Let's go to the Ananta Sayan. Yo! Run! Let's have so much fun.
This is the Borogacho.
The Baragacho where the Buddha got enlightened.
Enlightened.
Enlightenment. if you can see that sun,
We are in the right path.
this is so small rasta. Some news were spread in last few days that the hidden treasure of England, hidden treasure of England is here.
I think we have lost our rasta.
You never lost your rasta. The God is here, always here to
Here.
show the right way to our destination. It's been 3 long days since we were lost. We were lost in the forest.
Without food.
I think we are just rounding and never reach our destination so far. We are thirsty of very water. There is no water. So much dangerous creatures are there, like elephants, bear, snakes, or varieties of snakes are there, like Biswasray and Pratyush. The beauty of the nature in the forest. So the final man behind me is going ahead of me, and I am the last person. No one is behind me. See who is going to grab me.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
We got the rasta.
Finally, after 6 long days, we saw the hope, the water, the river. The scientist Bear Grylls say that when you saw a river, there is a chance you can survive. So we are ahead to the river, Dal, whatever you can say. My shoelace is just slip. खसिगला रे. धर ठीक है धर. लेस खसिगला कैमरा धर. कैमरा धर. लेस खसिगला नहीं.
You can see one of our friend is a little bit I don't know.
Never left your men behind.
Come, jaldi come.
You can. You are a survival.
You can do it. Come on. Ready on.
Following us, someone is following. Just run.
Go. As you can see, our sensei
After so
brought
much
the food. There is a lot of pathars. I thought it was road, but it is pathar and pathar, all pathar. As you can see the sign of human life here. There are a lot of kocha banyans.
we have to catch fish from this river. I never think that we come to this place, but finally I did it. So this is end. See you in the next episode of Bramhani.